So my name is Carmel Colton. I'm a career consultant working within the Central Careers team at Queen's, and I'm aligned to the School of Social Sciences, Education and Social Work. What can I do with my sociology degree is often a question I get asked by students. It's true that there's no one job role for sociology graduates, but this opens up a world of opportunities to secure a professional role within the public, private and not-for-profit sectors. Sociology graduates bring creative and critical thinking and a broader perspective to today's social, economic, political and environmental challenges. In a recent report from the World Economic Forum around the future of jobs, analytical thinking was one of the most sought after skills for employers. So your ability to analyse complex issues, identify those root causes and develop evidence-based solutions will be useful in any industry or sector, particularly research and policy roles. So effective communication and creativity is key in media, communications and public relation roles. Your ability to articulate ideas will help you to carve out a successful career in these areas. So your knowledge of social dynamics will be beneficial within the education sector. You can go on to complete your initial teacher training and become a qualified teacher, or uptake a professional role in student support services, widening participation, community education or mentorship roles, for example. So your understanding of cultural nuances and ethical issues enables you to effectively communicate with diverse backgrounds, opening up opportunities within EU institutions and international organisations. So many students use their sociology degree as a foundation into further study, completing a master's programme or a conversion degree in subjects such as social work, nursing, law or teaching. A sociology degree brings a lot of career opportunities, so I would urge you to do your research while you're at university. Get some real-world experience, not only to develop your skills, but also to help you to make more informed career decisions. Be proactive and engage with the Central Careers team from an early stage. Use our My Future platform to search for local and global opportunities, book on to career programmes and workshops, and schedule an appointment with a career consultant to get personalised career information, advice and guidance. So we look forward to supporting you with your career planning and decision making during your time here at Queen's, so please do get in touch with the Central Careers team.